What if I told you this 20-foot motorhome feels more like a luxury apartment than a compact RV? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Wingamm Oasi 610, a European-designed coach that's turning heads here in the US. And trust me, this thing is packed with surprises. Let's dive in. At just about 20 feet long, the Oasi 610 is incredibly easy to drive and park, but don't let the size fool you. What really sets this apart is the one-piece fiberglass monocoque body. That means fewer seams, better insulation, and a much stronger structure compared to traditional RV construction. You'll notice the sleek European styling right away: clean lines, panoramic windows, and a modern profile that doesn't scream big RV. It's compact enough for national park roads, city parking, and tight campgrounds, yet still feels upscale and refined. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is how open and bright it feels. Large windows bring in a ton of natural light, making the space feel bigger than it actually is. The dinette area is well laid out with comfortable seating and a table that's perfect for meals, remote work, or winding down in the evening. Above the cab, there's a clever drop-down bed that disappears into the ceiling when not in use, so you don't feel cramped during the day. It's smart space design done right. Now let's talk about the kitchen. For a 20-foot motorhome, this setup is seriously impressive. You get a solid cooktop, a modern sink, and usable counter space, something that's not always guaranteed in compact RVs. Storage is thoughtfully integrated, and the cabinetry feels high quality, not flimsy. It genuinely feels more like a small European apartment kitchen than a typical camper setup. And then there's the bathroom, which is one of the standout features. This coach includes a true dry bath, meaning the shower is separate from the toilet and sink area. That's a big advantage in a motorhome this size because you're not soaking the entire space every time you shower. It's practical, comfortable, and designed for real everyday use on the road. When it comes to sleeping arrangements, this motorhome can comfortably accommodate up to 4 people depending on the configuration. Between the drop-down bed and the rear sleeping area, you've got flexible options without sacrificing living space. Storage is cleverly built throughout the coach, with overhead cabinets and hidden compartments that help keep everything organized without feeling cluttered. Driving this motorhome is another area where it really shines. Because of its compact footprint and aerodynamic design, it feels far less intimidating than larger Class C models. The monocoque fiberglass shell not only improves durability, but also enhances insulation and structural strength, making it suitable for a variety of climates and travel conditions. So who is this motorhome really for? If you want something compact but premium, easy to maneuver but not stripped down, modern yet highly functional, the Wingamm Oasi 610 absolutely deserves a serious look. It proves that small doesn't have to mean basic. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know. Would you take this on your next road trip? I'll see you in the next one.